Like William Wallace?
Yeah.
Like William Wallace. Should we call him Wallace, Ivy? We're gonna go check on the chickens, and Myka said if we were coming out to collect eggs, we had to have baskets, right?
Yeah.
So you grabbed this basket, and Ivy grabbed that basket.
No, I grabbed for Ivy.
Oh, you got it for her?
Yeah.
That's very nice of you. All right, should we go check on our chickens?
Yeah, let's look at some eggs. Yep, see you right there. What are you doing with that? What do you like, Mikey? I want to help with that. I'll spray. Can I help spray?
I don't know what his name is. What do you think we should call him?
I don't know. You guess.
Me guess? I don't think he had a name before. What do you think?
How about we call him?
Oh,
You think about his name here. What's his name?
I don't know. What's a good name?
I don't know. You have to see what his name is.
Yeah.
Pick one.
Pick one. We'll have to ask Mommy what she thinks. Do you think that's a good idea, Ivy?
Nah, I think his name is Wallace.
Wallace?
Yeah. What's that name? No, what's that name? How about we call him?
Where'd you get Wallace from?
I don't have Wallace. Those are just chickies. And I'm just calling him Wallace because he's a chickie.
You're calling him Wallace because he's a chicken.
Yes.
I see.
That's what I want his name to be.
Like William Wallace?
Yeah.
Like William Wallace. Should we call him Wallace, Ivy? You think so?
What should we call her?
I have no idea where she got Wallace from.
What's that name?
I like it.
What could be her name?
I don't know which one. There's a bunch of them in
How
there.
about Sparkle Miss? That'd be a good name.
Sparkle Miss? Sparkle Miss.
Like on,
Well, which one's Sparkle Miss?
you see right there behind that boy chicken.
Behind the rooster is Sparkle Miss?
Yes.
Okay.
Like on the fairy movie. And who should call that name?
I don't know. You're coming up with all the names. You're doing a good job.
The other one.
Mm-hmm.
How about his name can be Chicken number 2.
Do you like the chickens, Ivy?
No.
You do?
No.
Are they your favorite?
How about we can call that one? Yeah, what's that for them to stand up with?
That's so they can sleep at night.
No, that's a good thing.
Yeah, they jump on it and then they sleep on it at night.
How?
It's called a roost. They just jump up there.
And stand up to go sleep?
Uh-huh.
The eggs are supposed to be in there.
Yeah. Daddy's got to put a lip on it, though, so the eggs stay in there.
What? What?
Otherwise, the eggs roll out.
Hey!
Hey, Ivy, you should come up with a name. What should we call... You should pick a chicken. Give her a name. What do you think?
No. Give him a name.
You already called him Wallace.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's that one called?
What, baby?
What's that called?
Mm-hmm.
What's that called?
Oh, chill out.
What's that called?
That's a rooster.
And I call him Wallace.
Yep.
So the restaurant, which name do you want that chicken to be over there behind that walrus?
I'm not sure. Alright, are you done visiting the chickens?
Yeah.
I think they're nervous with us here. We'll give them a little bit of space and let them eat their breakfast, okay?
Okay.
Alright, let's do it.